Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. Today I will show you Chinatown. When you come to Chinatown in Singapore, you need to come out of the train station and follow the sign for Chinatown Point. This is where it will take you to the mall where all these shops are available. Food court, everything is here. So this is where you should be coming out from Chinatown, and from here just take the escalator, go up. One thing for sure is here you will find same food as hawker center. The prices are reasonable and it's clean. You will see the quality is better here and the prices are good. So I will show you. Let me show you the stores now. Hello. Okay, so they do the walk here. It's like a bento shop as well. The soups, rice, curries. And don't forget, Watsons are here as well. It's a pharmacy shop. This is where you can find all your medicines if you need. Shower gel, cream, paracetamol, anything you need. Mr. Bean. This is Mr. Makan Paratha. This is where you can find the best roti paratha of Singapore. So bubble teas are here, long here. See? So basically this is the shops you can find here in Singapore. Chinatown is better than the hawker center in Chinatown, so I would suggest if you want to come and eat here, you should definitely come and try. This is my recommendation. And so thank you very much for watching. Please share, like and subscribe. Don't forget to press the notification button. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day.